Let's kick off this explainer. Today, we're uncovering the invisible mechanics of wind shaping our daily weather. Crazy fact, right now, 14.7 pounds of air is pressing down on every single square inch of you. We call this heavy, invisible blanket air pressure. It's quite literally the starting point for all wind. Think of a balloon. Tightly packing air molecules inside boosts density, which naturally cranks up the pressure. The sun heats Earth unevenly, right? So our atmosphere forms these distinct pockets of high and low pressure. Warm air expands and rises, creating low pressure. Meanwhile, cold, heavy air sinks to form high pressure. Nature hates a vacuum. It craves balance, so air rushes from high pressure to fill low pressure voids. That horizontal rush to fill the empty void, that exact moment is literally how wind is born. Here's the golden rule. The bigger the pressure difference between those zones, the faster the wind blows. Fun fact, a westerly wind actually means it's blowing from the west, not toward it. But here's a wild twist. Wind never flows in a perfectly straight line. It bends and curves. Why? The Coriolis effect. Because Earth is spinning, moving air gets deflected right in the northern hemisphere. This deflection forces the wind to swirl, spinning counterclockwise around lows and clockwise around highs. Meteorologists track these crazy, invisible rivers of air using pressure charts and lines we call isobars. To measure this accurately, scientists mount anemometers exactly 10 meters up, avoiding friction from trees or buildings. Before 1806, weather descriptions were totally subjective. Then, Naval Commander Sir Francis Beaufort stepped in. He created the Beaufort scale, brilliantly translating raw data into human experiences, from calm to umbrella destroying. At the extreme edge, a Force 12 hurricane brings total devastation, literally filling the air with sea spray. So basically, wind is just Earth's endless, spinning attempt to balance out the sun's intense heat. But our rapidly warming climate is actively pushing this delicate balancing act into completely uncharted territory. Which leaves us wondering, as extreme heat shatters records, just how fiercely will the winds blow back?